everybody, this is Joe Cardinale, and we are at Loayza's Unique Outdoor Living, and we are going to be grilling on one of these fantastic grills with our fantastic chef, who is Paul Gardner. Hi, Paul. How you doing?
Joe, good to see you again.
Good. So tell me, what are we doing today? What are we cooking?
Baby back pork ribs.
Ooh, my favorite. So what's the process of baby back pork ribs?
Well, there's two basic processes with doing ribs. It's either wet or it's dry. Mine starts out dry and ends up wet because most of my rub is made out of sugar. So when I do it overnight in the refrigerator, it liquefies in the bottom of the pan. Then I take it out, put it on the grill the next day and brown it, then put it in the oven and seal it up for 3.5 hours for it to get nice and tender. Then take it out, put it back on the grill, put on Loayza's favorite barbecue sauce, which she calls Primo.
Okay.
And we're ready to eat.
Okay, so it's a 2-day process.
It is.
So what kind of ribs do you buy? I mean, there's different kind of ribs. You walk in the store, and is it, you ask for baby back ribs, do they cut them for you? You just go buy them anywhere?
No, you want a whole rack and then cut them the way you want them.
Okay, so how big do you usually cut them?
Well, I cut them in racks of 2 myself.
Okay.
But they come with about 12 or 13 bones per rack.
So what do we have in the grill right now?
Well, we've got about 7 racks in here now.
Oh, okay.
And I'll just finish them up just a few minutes ago.
So tell us some more about the process. So then when you take them out, what do you rub on top of them? Is that your rub? Or, I mean,
Well, it's a secret old family recipe, but we made copies of the recipe here today, so Rose is going to be passing that out.
So we won't tell anybody about the recipe. It's just between you and me right here. Okay, so then what's the next step after that when you get your ribs? You're ready to
Sit
eat
down
them?
and eat them and enjoy a glass of Zinfandel.
Oh, okay. So, see, our audience likes that, so it's great. So do you want to take out a small rack, or could we cut one right now and see what it's like? You just took the ribs out of the grill, so what do you do now? You cut?
Well, they've been on there a long time, so they're falling right off the bone.
Well, that's the best way. So, oh yeah, you don't even need a knife for this, huh?
Oh no, I'm just kind of separating them. Don't need to cut them. There's a lot of people here that want to try it.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Okay.
So I'm going to take a little taste over here, because no, this is really good. This is the good part about being a video team, is you get to eat the food. So we're getting the ribs ready, and then we'll be serving in a little bit.
We will.
We also have, and this is the dry rub over here in this container.
Yeah, that's a dry rub. This is a wet rub. Some people like barbecue sauce and some don't.
Okay.
So what I'm using today is Rosa Loayza's Carrie's Primo barbecue sauce.
Okay.
So I used her sauce. It's
So
great.
so these are just baby backs that you're already chopped up.
Correct.
And no sauce. Okay. Yeah, those look good too. So cover that back up so it stays nice and warm. So are you a professional chef or a professional cook?
No, I'm a backyard barbecue griller.
So how long have you been barbecuing? Your entire life?
Pretty much.
Well, that's great. You know, people don't know this, but Paul is a former police officer. And so what's more fun? I think this is probably more fun, huh? Making food.
I like to eat, Joe.
We all like to eat. So I think we're good for right now. Later on, we're going to be talking to the Twin Eagles, who this is their grill. But for now, this is Joe Cardinale with Paul. We're here at Loayza's, and always come on down, and they have great product. You'll see it on her YouTube channel and on the air. So we'll see you again later on. Thank you, guys.